Isang mabilis lang. Palakpakan niyo naman yung galing sa palarong pambansa. Sino yan? Ito pa, dalawa. Okay, bakit natin binibigyan ng ganong credit? At least we have that kind of players na naglalaro for palarong pambansa. Okay? It's a huge credit for Manila players. Okay? Tapos, if most of you are dreaming to play on the palarong pambansa, make sure you are dreaming high. So, itong opportunity na to na ginagamit natin yung MFA or yung Manila Futsal Camp, it's a good investment for the talents na nakikita namin. Tingnan nyo, ilang weeks na tayo? Third week na ata, di ba? Meron bang progress? Nararamdaman nyo merong progress? Meron, di ba? So, for us, it's a good opportunity rin na makapag-scout ng mga players who will play for the Manila for the future. If you want to play for the palarong pambansa as early as now, dapat ginagawa nyo na yung best ninyo. Okay, wag nyong gawin yung training na is just a part of pastime ninyo. If you want to invest, if you want to perform high level, itaas ninyo yung mindset ninyo. Okay? Gaano kasarap maglaro sa Batang Pinoy? O ngayon, di ba nung after nyo magbatang Pinoy, ngayon Agusan del Sur. Gaano kasarap? O di ba? I call it travel bag. Inano ko na sa inyo yan, di ba? Yung travel bag parang ano yan parang latak ng pag-travel ninyo while you are playing. One of the best experience na makukuha ng atleta, yung naglalaro kayo habang tumatravel kayo. Tama? Yes! Hindi nyo pa most of you hindi nyo pa na-experience on, but if you experience that, mag-i-aim pa kayo ng highest. So if you experience Batang Pinoy, you're gonna experience more. If you experience palarong pambansa, you want to experience more. And ano yung more na yon sa tingin ninyo? After the palarong pambansa era, ano yon? International, yes. Pero do you want to play for UAAP, NCAA, di ba? Yes. Oh, yun. Yun yung for us coaches, yun yung trophies namin. Wala kaming pakialam, manalo kayo ng tanso na trophy. Pag kinalawang yan, wala na yan, di ba? Pag nabasag yung medal, wala na yan. Pero yung best investment or best trophies namin, yung may na-achieve yung mga players. Okay? So, etong ginawa namin, hindi ko po-point yung anyone here, pero may nag-i-improve na. Kuha. So far, so good. May mga talents, may mga improvements, may mga players whom we think can play for Manila in the future. If you think na hindi pa kayo yun, you have more time. And that time, kailangan ginagamit nyo siya. Huwag nyong sayangin. You cannot rewind. Tama? You cannot rewind time. If you lose that moment, wala na yan. But if you want that moment, you will push through. Yes? Di ba? Ganun lang naman yung buhay. Pag may mali kang nagawa, kailangan itama mo na siya in the future. Goods? Yeah.